Our journey began in September of 2017. The four of us became a group over the shared topic idea of the treatment of animals before consumption. We worked with the problem until we realized that this, while an issue that needs a solution, would be too broad of a topic for us to tackle. We were back to the drawing board. Again, we came up with a new topic of finding a place to study on Dal campus could be a difficult task. Through a couple of presentations, we realized that this was too small of an issue. When brainstorming for a brand new idea, we realized that we had all one key thing in common. We are all living here from outside of the province, and it took us each a considerable amount of time to become part of the Halifax community. We realized we could adjust some of the end user work we did for our second topic and apply it to this new one. This was our inspiration. Our research showed that 79% of Dal's population was from outside of Halifax as well. We addressed this problem with a statement of, with majority of students at Dalhousie coming from outside the HRM, becoming a part of the Halifax community is a daunting and difficult task. Our innovation lecture taught us about a concept design thinking framework, and with the inspiration step of it done, we moved on to the ideation phase. Ideation is where we started to brainstorm for a creative solution. We came up with 3 different ways to help integrate students better: an app, a website, and a pamphlet. All of the products would contain similar data. They would house information on Halifax as a city, places to socialize in, restaurants to eat at, cafes to study in, options for different fitness activities, and finally, information about each university in Halifax. After conducting more end-user research, we determined that the best solution would be to create a website. We finally moved on to the implementation stage, which gave us the opportunity to bring our solution to life. We named ourselves EC Living and created the first prototype of the website through a website builder called Wix. We put the first website draft through a design method tool called Prototyping for Empathy. Using a game called The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly, we got key feedback that allowed us to adjust our prototype to make it more user-friendly. Next, we used another design method tool called Prototyping for Testing, where we let end users take over the control seat and interact with the website themselves. Through these different methods, we have been able to create a website designed around the concept of welcoming new students into the Halifax community.